we get answer A answer. That's all. Tan theta plus if tan theta plus secant theta equal to 3, then very important model, note this also. Then value of sin theta, then value of sin theta equal to dash. First option given 4 by 5, first option 4 by 5, second option 3 by 5, third option 7 by 13, 7 by 18, next fourth option 15 by 18, 15 by 18. So previous now previous class I am already told this model of problem. The relation between secant and tan theta, we get secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So this one assume A and also this one B. A square minus B square, we know that A plus B into A minus B. This one algebraic formula. Same way here A means secant theta, B means tan theta. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Already given secant theta plus tan theta or tan theta plus secant theta. In addition, no problem. So, tan theta plus secant theta equal to 3. So substitution 3 into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Next, secant theta minus tan theta, multiplication will be changed to division 1 by 3. So given tan theta plus secant theta, so already given tan theta secant theta, so secant theta plus tan theta, anyone, secant theta plus tan theta equal to 3. So plus minus cancel, we get secant theta 1 secant theta 1 secant theta, that means 2 secant theta, that is 1 by 3 plus 3 1, that is 2 secant theta. Cross multiplication 1 into 1, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. So 2 secant theta equal to 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Cancellation 2 1s 2 5s. So secant theta equal to 5 by 3. So secant theta mean reciprocal. This one also reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta equal to cos theta. Cos theta equal to reverse reciprocal mean 3 by 5. But asking sin theta. Sin theta equal to, we know that formula, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos mean 3 by 5 whole square, 3 by 5 whole square, that is 1 minus square mean multiplication of itself. 3 square mean 9, 5 square mean 25, denominator 1, cross multiplication 55, 25 minus 9 by 25, 25 minus 9, that means 16 by 25. Sin square theta, sin square theta equal to, so sin theta equal to root of 16 by 25. So square will be changed root of 16, we know that 4, 25 mean 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5 here. First option A is the correct answer. So once again tan theta plus secant theta equal to 3, we know that. So the relation between secant theta and tan theta, we know that already formula, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So here assume secant theta equal to A, tan theta equal to B. So A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B, algebraic formula. So A mean secant theta plus tan theta and A minus B secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. So already given secant theta plus tan theta equal to 3. That means tan theta plus secant theta, anyone, no problem. 3 into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. So secant theta minus tan theta equal to, multiplication will be changed 1 by 3. So 1 tan secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by 3. Already given tan theta plus secant theta or secant theta plus tan theta, write secant theta plus tan theta equal to 3. In addition, plus minus cancellation, 1 secant theta, 1 secant theta, that means 2 secant theta, 1 by 3 plus 3 by 1. If any two fractions plus or minus as a fundamental cross multiplication, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 9, 3 1 ja 3. So, 2 secant theta equal to 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. 2 ones, 2 fives cancellation. We get secant theta equal to 5 by 3. So, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos. So, reciprocal means reverse. Cos theta equal to 5 by 3, reciprocal 3 by 5 change. No. But asking sin theta, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta, find out 3 by 5 whole square. 1 minus square mean 2 times multiplication. That means 3 square mean 9, 5 square mean 25. Same fundamental cross multiplication, 1 into 25, 25, 9 ones are 9, 25 ones are 25. 25 minus 9, 16 by 25. Sin square equal to 16 by 25. Sin theta equal to square will be change root of root 16 by 25. We know fundamental 16 root 4, 25 root 5. That's all. Next problem, condition. If important, this one model also important. X tan theta plus y secant theta equal to P, and x secant theta plus y tan theta equal to Q, then dash. So, first option given A, Q square minus P square, Q square minus P square, Q square minus P square. Second option, Q square minus P square equal to x square plus y square also given. Next, B answer, Q square plus P square, Q square plus P square equal to x square minus y square. Next, third option given, Q square minus P square, Q square minus P square equal to x square minus y square. Next, last option, D option, Q square plus P square equal to x square plus y square. So, this fundamental formula use, we already told that formula, the relation of tan and secant. We know that only formula secant square theta minus tan square theta formula. So, Q square minus P square. So, Q square minus P square. Q mean here x secant theta plus y tan theta. Next of all, square. Minus P mean x tan theta plus y secant theta whole square. So that this one, assume that A, this one also B, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, we know that A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square mean x square secant square theta plus B square mean y square tan square theta plus 2AB. 2 into, here A mean x secant theta into B mean y tan theta. Next, same minus, here also same formula, A plus B whole square. Here also same, A plus A B. Assume that A plus B whole square. A square mean x square tan square theta plus y square secant square theta plus 2 into A mean x tan theta into B mean y secant theta. That's all. Next, brackets remove. X square secant square theta plus y square tan square theta plus 2xy secant theta tan theta. Bracket remove will symbols will be changed. Minus x square tan square theta. Next, change minus y square secant square theta minus 2xy secant theta tan theta, right? So plus 2xy secant theta tan theta minus 2xy secant theta tan theta cancel. Now common, x square also common, x square terms common first of all. Here x square common, remaining part secant square theta. Here also minus tan square theta, minus tan square theta. Next of all, y square common, y square common, but secant square theta first of all, right, minus y square common. So we get secant square theta here, but plus already minus into minus, but one minus is common, second minus here, minus tan square theta, minus tan square theta. So first of all, write this one minus sin square, remaining secant square theta. Second here plus mean minus into minus, one minus is common, second minus here minus. So y square common, remaining part tan square theta. So x square into, we know that already value of secant square theta minus tan square theta value 1 minus y square into this one also same, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So yeah, 1 is multiplication, no change, x square minus y square. So our answer q square minus p square. Q square minus p square equal to x square minus y, where q square minus p square equal to x square minus y square. This one is the answer. Once again, given x tan theta plus y secant theta equal to p and x secant theta plus y tan theta equal to q, then dash the relation of p, q and xy. First of all, we know that formula secant square theta minus tan square. So here secant theta is first. So this one also take first value. So q square minus p square. Q mean x secant theta plus y tan theta whole square minus p mean x tan theta plus y secant theta whole square. So here we know that algebra formula to sum of two terms and whole square. So a plus b whole square formula. Here a mean x secant theta, b mean y tan theta. Here also same formula. So a plus b whole square formula applied. A square mean x square secant square theta plus b square mean y square tan square theta plus 2ab, 2 into, here a mean x secant theta, b mean y tan theta. Same formula applied. X square tan square theta, y square secant square theta plus 2 into, first of all a mean x tan theta, b mean y secant theta. Next same way, right, x square secant square theta, y square tan square theta, 2xy order 2xy secant theta tan theta order. Next bracket will be removed, symbol also change, minus x square tan square theta minus y square secant square theta minus 2xy order secant theta tan theta. So same values but opposite symbols, cancellation. 2xy secant theta tan theta minus 2xy secant theta tan theta, both are cancelled. The remaining part is x square. Here secant square theta remaining. Here also secant square, x square common, remaining part tan square. Same. But first value secant square, here minus y square common, remaining part secant square theta. But here y square tan square theta. Plus mean minus into minus. One minus is common here. Second minus here minus. Minus tan square theta. Next x square secant square theta minus tan square theta value 1 minus y square into secant square theta minus tan square. We know that already formula, previous class I explained, now class I also explained. So secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. Yeah, 1 multiplies, no change. So x square minus y square, that's all answer. If next problem, if 7 sin square theta, 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta, 3 cos square theta equal to 4, then tan theta equal to dash. Option given, first option 1, first option root 3, first option root 3, second option 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, third option 1 fourth option 0. So first of all, 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4. Find out the value tan theta. So we get tan. Tan common. We get 7 cos square common. Cos square common. Cos square is divided to on both sides. Cos square theta also common anyone. So 7 sin square theta by cos square theta plus 3 equal to 4. Next 7 sin by cos value tan square theta plus 3 equal to 4 by cos square theta. 4 by cos square theta. 7 tan square theta plus 3 4 cos square theta. 1 by cos means secant square theta. 1 means secant square theta. Secant square. So tan square theta. So here 4 tan square theta divided 3 2 terms. 3 tan square theta. 3 tan square theta plus 3 equal to 4 secant square theta. So we write for same values. 3 tan square theta plus 3 equal to 4 secant square theta minus 4 tan square theta. Minus 4 tan square theta. Next 3 tan square theta equal to 4 common. Remaining secant square theta minus tan square theta plus 3 will be changed minus 3. Next 3 tan square theta equal to, we know that already secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. 4 into 1 minus 3. So 3 tan square theta equal to 4 1 ja 4 minus 3, that means 1 tan square theta equal to 1 by 3. So tan theta equal to square will be changed 1 by root 3. That 1 by root 3. That root 1 mean 1 by root 3. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. That's it. B is the answer. Once again, 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4. So tan we get tan. So sin by cos we know that already. So cos is the common. Cos square theta. 7 sin square theta by cos square theta. Here common cos, remaining part 3 equal to 4. 7 sin by cos tan square plus 3. 4 multiplication is change division. 4 by cos square. Numerator no value. 1 by 7 tan square theta plus 3 equal to 4. 1 by cos mean secant square theta. Because of secant square is the reciprocal of cos. So 1 by cos means secant square theta. Now 7 tan square theta split the two terms. 4 tan square theta plus 3 tan square. Because of here 4 secant square theta. So 4 tan square theta and 3 tan square theta divide. Plus 3 equal to 4 secant square theta. So 3 tan square theta plus 3, 4 secant square theta. 4 tan square theta will be changed minus 4 tan square theta. 3 tan square theta equal to, here 4 is the common, remaining part secant square theta minus tan square theta, and also remaining value plus 3 will be changed minus 3. 3 tan square theta equal to 4. So we know that already formula, this formula, secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3. That is 3 tan square theta. We know that 4 1 ja 4 minus 3 also. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So 3 tan square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta equal to 1 by 3. Tan theta equal to root 1 by 3. Root 1 mean no change 1. Root 3. 1 by root 3. The option B is the correct. X equal to A cosecant theta. X equal to A cosecant theta. And Y equal to A cot theta. A cot theta. Then which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? The relation between cosecant and cot, cosecant square theta, cot square theta, that is the one idea. So first one option given, x square plus y square. x square plus y square equal to a square. Next, second option, x square minus y square equal to a square. Next, third option, C, x plus y equal to a. Fourth option, xy equal to a. So we think that the relation between cosecant theta and cot theta, we know that formula, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This formula use. So square minus 1. So this one is not answer, this one is not answer, this one not answer. So we think only this answer. That is proof. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta here. Given x equal to a cosecant theta, check up. X by a equal to cosecant theta. Next, second, y equal to a cot theta, y by a equal to cot theta. That's all. So we know that formula, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1. Here cosecant theta value x by a, cot theta value y by a. Substitution in this formula. So yeah, cosecant square mean x by a whole square. Already right. First once again, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to, cosecant mean x by a whole square minus cot square mean y by a whole square. So square mean x square by a square. Here also same, y square by a square. Denominators equal, a square only, x square minus y square. But we know that this formula, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta value 1. So 1 is the answer. So cross multiplication we get answer, x square minus y square equal to a square. So answer is x square minus y square equal to a square. We think already B answer. So B is the correct. So cosecant to cot, anyone, we observe that formula, cosecant square theta minus cot square 1. So given also x equal to a cosecant theta, x by a equal to cosecant theta we get. Same way y by a equal to we get cot theta. The relation of cos and cosecant square theta minus cos square. Cosecant square theta, cosecant mean x by a whole square minus cot mean y by a whole square. Square mean 2 times multiplication. So cosecant square theta minus cot square value 1, we know that 1 x square by a square. Here also same, y square by a square. 1 equal to x square minus y square. Denominators equal a square. When cross multiplication, x square minus y square equal to a square. So B is the correct answer. Important, not this one. First, x equal to cos theta. X equal to cos theta plus sin theta. And y equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Then x square plus y square. Then x square plus y square equal to dash. First option given 0. Second option given 1. Third option is given minus 1, sorry. Fourth option 2. Next. So first of all, we know that relation of sin and cos. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So already given x square plus y square. So x mean cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus y mean cos theta minus sin theta whole square. We know that algebra formula, a plus b, 2 terms, sum of any 2 terms, a plus b whole square. A square mean cos square theta plus b square means sin square theta plus 2ab, 2 into a mean cos theta into b means sin theta. That's all. Same way this one, cos square theta, this one a minus b whole square, a minus b, this one a plus b formula. So a plus b, a minus b, only change plus 2ab or minus 2ab. So cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2ab, 2 into a mean cos theta B means sin theta. Plus minus same values cancellation. We know that already sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta sin square theta, any one plus this one is also same sin square theta cos square theta 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So D is the correct answer. Once again, x equal to cos theta plus sin theta, y equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Then x square plus y square equal to, given answer 0 1 minus 1 2. First of all check up x square plus y square given. So x mean given cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus y mean cos theta minus sin theta whole square. This one we know that algebra formula, sum of any two values of square value a plus b whole square formula use. A square mean cos square theta, b square mean sin square theta plus 2 into a mean cos theta, b mean sin theta plus same way but here minus a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2 into a mean cos theta, b mean sin theta. Same values, opposite symbols cancellation. 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 cos theta sin theta. Same values but symbol plus minus both are cancelled. Remaining, we know that already formula cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square. Any one we know that. So here 1 plus here also 1. 1 plus 1 2. We get answer. Important problem. Note this. First of all, if cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1, then cosecant cubed theta plus sin cubed theta equal to dash. Cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1. No? So, okay. First option given a minus 2, second option 2, third option 1, fourth option minus 1. Number of times given in this problem. So cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1, then cosecant cubed theta plus sin cubed. First problem observe, cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1, then cosecant cubed theta plus sin cubed theta. So cube mean this the problem given, that is cubing on both sides. Very easy method. So cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1, cubing on both sides, because of the problem also given cubed. So cubing on both sides. So cubing on both sides, cosecant theta plus sin theta whole cubed equal to 1 cubed. This one a plus b whole cubed. Formula. A cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the one of the algebraic formula. A plus b whole cubed equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. So substitution a here. A mean cosecant theta, b mean sin theta. So a cubed mean cosecant cubed theta plus b cubed mean sin cubed theta plus 3 into a mean cosecant theta into b mean sin theta into a plus b cosecant theta plus sin theta plus sin theta. So that is cosecant equal to 1 cubed mean 1. We know we find out value cosecant cubed theta plus sin cubed theta plus 3 into. We know that already this one is a product, reciprocals. Cosecant theta may write 1 by sin theta. Here also sin theta into so cosecant theta plus sin theta already given 1. So this one 1. Next cosecant cubed theta plus sin cubed theta plus sin theta cancel. 1. 3 into 1 equal to 1. So cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta 1 plus 3 will be changed minus 3. 1 minus 3 answer minus 2. So my answer is minus a equal to 1. So cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta equal to minus 2 is the answer. Once again, given cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1, then cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta equal to dash. So cubing, given cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1, find out value cubing. So the given problem is also cubing on both sides. Cosecant theta plus sin theta whole cubed equal to 1 cubed. Here a plus b, cosecant theta assume a, sin theta b, a plus b whole cubed. We know that algebraic formula a plus b whole cubed equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. A cubed means cosecant cubed theta plus b cubed means sin cubed theta plus 3 into a means cosecant theta into b means sin theta into a means cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 1 cubed also 1. Next, cosecant cubed theta plus sin cubed theta plus 3 into, we know that cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So 1 by sin right into sin theta, already given cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to, already given one value equal to 1. Cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta plus the sin theta will be cancel, 3 1 ja 3 only equal to 1. Cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta 1, 3 will be changed minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So the final answer is cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta equal